Hello, in this video I want to show you how to equip different gestures in Lords of the Fallen. To do this, we'll need to click on G to pop open our gestures. On gamepad you can find the button for it in the settings, key bindings, and here it is. Now when you click on that, on the bottom you can see the outline with all of the buttons that we can use now, and simply select whichever animation slot you want to change to, and I'm gonna go with this one. Press on F and you will see all of your gestures. Now select whichever one you like and it should be changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.